Cell Academy, Goa's best institute for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12th. State topper for NEET, JEE, BITSAT 2024 are produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12th at our study centers in Margao, Vasco and Prudent. Book your seat today. Limited seats available.
Conduct some interaction with the students, and there are complaints that they are misleading the students. So it is only to ensure that people don't come to schools just like that and misguide the students in the name of religion or any other thing. So it is just a general circular. So we are taking caution to ensure that in school there are no issues.
So it will be implemented in all aided school and
All schools,
non-aided?
all schools. We are concerned with all the schools, not only government aided as well as unaided. Nobody has the right to come to the school and misguide the students. So whatever the schools are doing, they should be careful about it.
So any incident happened before this?
No,
That's why?
so far no incident has happened. But one issue was flagged by some schools in Cape. So that was the political activity. Even that should not be encouraged. Religious activities, political activities should not be encouraged in the school. That is why we have issued those instructions.